Right, Power Trigger Trades Andrew here on StockTwits. I'm going to talk some deeper reasons of why Apple's going higher. A little bit of an expansion to the first video. This is video part two. Let's click on the Apple chart here. So in for the short term, I'm seeing either a gap fill happening, if we can confirm, and we testing the 120, 123. I think the year 2017 is where we see Apple start to get above 130, go to the 130, 135 area inside the year of 2017 and even higher. There's a lot of catalysts, especially a new iPhone coming out next year. Um, they've had the decreasing demand and lower sales or whatever for the prior years. New product lines, more money coming in. People more going to probably adopt the new lines instead of complain. And of course, there's more money for them to be made. So it's set up for a good year, 2017. And not only that, technically, not just fundamentally, but technically, um, we're really set up for nice higher prices. At least in the short term, these are the targets, but a lot higher. These are the short term targets. Of course, I have to make more updates. If you want to know more or want to know all my updates and plans, again, I basically focus on stocks that are set up to go higher. So it's not so much that I'm going to look at what Apple does on a daily basis, only when it's set up to go higher. So, for example, we had this nice move here. This was a trade I had mentioned. We got in this day, and it was very nice ride up to here, into this zone here, and then it's been pretty much choppy, very hard to make money. There was money made over here, but that's it. Chop. I didn't bother with this anymore for a while, all through this, until something interesting showed up. Now, but the pullbacks we had in the mark now, we're set up to go higher. Um, and basically, that's what I do. I look for. It's not just Apple, but a lot of other key stocks that want to go higher, that are saying that the odds favor the market will go higher, and we will test back in the SPY 216 area. So let's close this up here. Uh, and if you want to know more about what I do or want to see more of my plans, one of the best things to do is to go to Power Trigger Trade on Twitter and see this video over here. At the same time, give me a second here. At the same time, I have a new YouTube channel, Power Target Trade. So you type in Power Target and then a space trades, and it'll bring up this YouTube channel. I'll be also posting videos that are not just based on investment. One of my two passions is fitness and health and investing. This is since I was 18 years old. I was into both investing and before there were even I used to update charts by hand. I was trading the commodity markets, silver, gold, British pound, Japanese yen, sugar, all that stuff. And I'd, would get the price quotes and I'd update the charts by hand. That's how long I've been doing this for. So there was no computers. And anyways, check out my channel. I have a video. You want to check that out. You'll see that when you go for the new visitors. When you're a new visitor, it'll pop up the video. I have a message. You want to listen to that. I'm really about these two things. I'm really about the investments, making good money in the markets, or whatever you do, or increasing the money you make, secondary, whatever it is for you. And again, really investing in your health and fitness, and that's something that a lot of people aren't doing, even people with a lot of money, and that's the biggest mistake you can make. And so, power. What I'm about is, I'm gonna be doing some interesting things, new. That's one of the things I'm gonna focus. Is my channel will be based on fitness, and investing, both heavily on both subjects, because I think that's a key thing. So if you like my plans, so we'll go back to your power trick or trade here on StockTwits. You don't see the StockTwits, but this is power trick or trade on StockTwits. Become a follower if you like my plans. Because I will be posting stuff that look to become a follower on power plan trades, and you'll see it'll all set you up. And the more serious you are, the more plans you will be able to see. So there you have it, people. Stay tuned to my channel. I honestly subscribe to the YouTube channel, as I use that to bridge everything together. The YouTube channel that's new. I wish I did this a long time ago, but it is what it is, or in the way that I'm going to be doing. So subscribe, become go have a YouTube an account. It's worth to subscribe. A lot of great things are coming in the future. Thanks for listening. Like the video.